Hi, and welcome to Toad Data Studio. Today we're delving into how Toad can streamline access to Oracle Cloud Fusion database. With the daunting challenges of navigating large databases and complex data, Toad is here to revolutionize your experience, simplifying everything from real-time access to query execution and data extraction. We've made connecting to your cloud database very easy. With a few mouse clicks, entering your database link and credentials, you can gain instant access to your database. Use the Object Explorer to navigate your database objects and filter them to seamlessly narrow down your search. Use the right-click menu to perform a variety of actions. For example, view details about the objects and their data. If you'd like to run queries against a database, let Toad generate the SQL statements for you. Our robust SQL editor helps you write queries with built-in features to automatically fill in code or catch errors as you're typing. Or use the formatting options to format your complex query statements. To boost your productivity, execute multiple queries or focus on other tasks while monitoring their status using the background processes. So once your query is executed, our advanced data grid is complete with features for managing large data sets and in-depth analysis. For example, filtering, sorting, or grouping the data. Use a profiler to gain insights into data quality issues by better understanding the consistency and uniqueness of the data. Visually profile a sample data set for patterns, unique values, duplicates, and more. Next, let's look at how we can export the data. Use quick export options from any data grid to export to various formats. Or use the Export Wizard for additional features and customization. If writing queries is not something that's preferred, then use the Query Builder. It's a visualization feature whereby dragging and dropping objects, joining objects by your mouse, choosing columns, and even advanced query logic, you can let Toad write the query statement for you. The actions we described today can be automated using the Automation Designer, where actions can be automated, scheduled for execution, and generated outputs can be shared amongst your team. For more information about Toad, visit our website and sign up for a free trial today.